What up, it's JC. Day one is in the books. We had a lot of fun. Kicked it off with some jet skiing thanks to the Boucher brothers. Had a couple spills. Kinsey and I fell. Kelly and Alan fell. But Jenna and her best friend Mackenzie had the best spill of all time. Mackenzie lost her glasses. Then we hung out in the Cabanas. Kelly Raspberry and I actually got some massages, which were great. I fell asleep and snored. And then we finished it off by getting some dinner at Loew. And they basically gave us everything on the menu. So now I'm so full, I think I need to go to sleep, if I can. Or maybe I'll just go party.
I'm so full.
Yeah, we had dinner.
I'm so full.
And we hung out at the Cabanas.
So full.
And now it's full.
Thanks for cracking up a cold one with the boys.
What?